In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement a consent banner on your Webflow website. A clear, compliant consent banner helps your visitors understand how your site uses cookies and gives them control over their privacy choices. We'll do this using Webflow's official integration with OneTrust, which streamlines setup and keeps things maintainable. Start by opening your site in Webflow. Make sure you're in the project where you want the banner to appear. In the Webflow interface, open the Apps and Integrations area. If you don't see it right away, use the search field in the interface to find the Apps Marketplace. In the search box, type OneTrust. This pulls up the official tools that handle privacy consent. From the results, look for the listing labeled Deploy and Manage Privacy Consent via OneTrust's official Webflow integration, and click it. On the listing page, click Start Here. This takes you to the official overview so you know exactly what the integration provides and how it works with your Webflow project. Back in the Marketplace panel, if needed, use the search again and select OneTrust Consent Management from the results. Open the full listing to review details, permissions, and what will be added to your site. This page is helpful for confirming you're installing the correct solution and understanding any options the integration exposes. Next, click Install on Site. Follow the prompts to connect the integration to your project. The installation step links your site to OneTrust's consent management so a banner can be displayed and user choices can be recorded properly. To make everything live, click Publish in the top right of Webflow. Publishing pushes the integration to your published site, which is where the consent banner will actually appear to visitors who haven't made a choice yet. Give it a moment to update. Once live, the banner's behavior, like categories, text, and regional rules, comes from your OneTrust configuration, while the integration ensures it loads reliably on your Webflow pages. A few quick notes as you wrap up. The exact labels and buttons you see in Webflow may vary slightly over time, but the flow is the same. Find the OneTrust integration, open the full listing, install it on your site, and publish. If your project uses multiple domains or environments, make sure your OneTrust settings match where you're publishing so the banner appears as expected. And that's it. You've implemented a consent banner on your Webflow website using the official OneTrust integration, and you're set up for clear, compliant privacy communication with your